Welcome back to our YouTube channel here at ArmorTech. I'm Zach Craig. Today we have got a 2022 mid-size Polaris, and we're going to show you how to install our front, top, and rear cab system onto this machine. Before we get too far, let's have a look at our tool list. First, we're going to start with our front windshield. It'll be part number UC521. Put this windshield onto the machine. Next, we'll secure our front windshield with our side mounting plates by utilizing our 1/4 by 1 inch screws with a flat washer and a lock nut to back it. You'll see we have 5 mounting holes in the corner of the windshield and likewise in our plate. That will sit up here like so, and we'll go ahead and install the hardware. Get everything started, leave it loose. We'll do this for both driver and passenger side before we tighten. Now that we've got all of our hardware started, we can take our 7/16 wrench and our impact with a P3 Phillips bit, and we can go ahead and tighten all of this down. Now it's time to install our bungee hold down, and before we assemble that, we'll want to go ahead and drill 2 holes in the front of our plastics here. I've already got these drilled, but it'll take a 1/4 inch drill bit. We'll drill it right in that top corner to the left of the Polaris logo, and then top right corner. We'll now look inside bag 68 and locate our 24-inch short bungee, as well as our bungee mounting clips and a few more of our 1/4 by 1 inch screws with flat washers and lock nuts. We'll take the clips and slide them onto the bungee cable. Give them a firm pinch. And take our 1/4 by 1 inch screw through the hole of the clip. And now we'll mount that in the holes we just drilled in the corners here. Reach around underneath the fender well. Install our flat washer and lock nut. Next, we'll now install our rear panel, which will be part number UC572. And this thing just snaps in, so you can grab a partner, and we'll go ahead and show you how to put that on now. Next, we'll install our top piece. It'll be part number UC570. Before we get started, we will locate our bag 26, which will have our mounting hardware for the top, as well as our seal plates, which will block off these open holes here in the bulkhead of the machine. We'll set our outside plates in the recessed groove of the bulkhead. We'll take our square backing plate for our centerpiece here, along with our 1/4 by 5/8 screw. We'll go ahead and insert that there. Now we'll take the inside backing plate for the side piece here, and just like the center, now that we've got our seal kit installed, it's time to put the top onto the machine. We'll grab a buddy and we'll do that now. In our hardware bag, we'll again locate one of our 1/4 by 1 inch screws with a flat washer, and we'll be inserting this into the weld nut on the front channel of our top through the open hole in our crossheader here. And we'll get that started. We'll leave everything loose until we get all of our bolts started, and then we'll tighten everything down. Now we'll come to the rear section of the bike, and we'll utilize another one of our 1/4 by 1 inch screws, and we'll get it started with our screwdriver. I found this much easier to do with a long screwdriver instead of the impact gun. Now that we've got all of our bolts started, we can now tighten everything down. Your ArmorTech cab system is now installed, and you can enjoy it on your next ride.